So the fuse has gone on this, and so you can't charge anything on the cigarette lighter on a 2014. So this is a MK3 Ford Focus. So the fuse box for these anyway is under the passenger footwell. You see these two little screw things. You just pull them off. There's one there, and you just pull this little material cover off, and you can see the fuse box. So the one particularly for the fuses for the socket for the cigar lighter thing is 61, which is the fourth one up on the left. It's the yellow one, which is 20 amp. So they are mini blade fuses, which you can just get from Halfords or anywhere else. So you need really a set of needle nose pliers to pull them out, because they're very flush and I can't get them out with my fingers. So just be aware of that, and you just pull it out, put the new one in, and job should be a good one. You can see that's blown, and in with the new one. That's it, fiddly little sod. Hopefully it works now. Let's just put this back in. So the little flaps at the back there just tuck up underneath. Then you just push these over the top. That's it. Now to test it. There we go. Little blue light. Job done.